Alright, so a package has come in. Let's open it. A new replacement Bosco Mosquito. Let's take a look at our paperwork first. Oh yeah, it's got everything. So what is a Bosco Mosquito? Well, I'm about to find out. The new Mosquito, a signal source for every electrical application. Pocket-sized instrument finds defective circuits immediately. Now for every technician or engineer who must find defective circuits quickly and exactly, Bosco Electronics offers the new Mosquito. Basically what it does is, it was $9.95 back then. Basically what it was a, oh shit. This is a rare piece of paperwork to, I'll be damned. This is an undocumented piece of paper. This paper does not exist. And it's for the Mosquito, how to use it actually. Awesome. That's if it even works though. I don't know if it works. Here's the warranty card, which was never filled out. So that is a very rare piece of paper. Mosquito, Bosco. And here it is. Well, here it is. It's a shame it doesn't come with it's missing some of the writing, which has come off. Because I found one of these in the storage room here, cleaning out this place. And it's supposed to say Bosco Electronics Inc. right under here, and it doesn't. So that's a shame, but whatever. Does it work though is the main question. Let's find out. Supposed to put one AAA battery in. Yeah, I don't know if this works. It's in pretty good condition though. But I can't get it to play anything through my earbuds. It still works. I hear it. How I'm gonna do this, I don't know, but I can try. But it does work actually. Just have to ground yourself to the casing, and it works. Hear it? It works. Still works. Also, if I'm in a different setting, I'm in Pennsylvania, so that's why I'm not at my workbench. But the Mosquito still works. Incredible. Let me turn it off and take the battery out to save it. Come on. Okay, let's keep that out of it. Now, this one would be in much better condition, but the thing is, it was found in a storage room, and it does not work, because as you can see, it's corroded from that old foam that was in this one's case. So, yeah, it's not in the greatest condition, although it says Don Bosco, but can't win them all. This one works though, and it has, at least says Mosquito. But yeah, that works brilliantly. Also, shout out to Spats and Harley. I had them sign this cassette for me. Spats did one of his demonstrations on one of his boom boxes, and well, I had them sign it. So that's gonna be neat to have. So I'll be putting foam back in this one. I think the GoPro stopped recording at a certain time. I don't know why it does that. But we're going to be repairing this one at home, because that's going to be a challenge. Can I get this one working? I don't know. Probably. I actually so happen to have foam right here. So we're going to try it. Alright. I'm going to trace this piece of foam and then cut it. There. New foam. New foam so it doesn't move around.